Whether you're looking for tactical clothes or tactical streetwear, Stealth Tactical UK will be able to provide just that. Once on the website, scroll down and select the items in which you wish to purchase. When you're ready to complete your order, use my promo code SGT5 for 5% off your purchase of £5 or above. Link will be in the description.
Game on, let's go.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing on Modern Warfare at battle stations in Snetterton, and today I'm playing with my AA-15 once again. The weather wasn't the best, but we still stayed positive. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Here we go.
Did you get the chip in there?
So the objective of this game was King of the Hill. That means one person was a poker chip runner, and they had to place a poker chip in the centre of the map in our coloured box. We are the blue team, and so we had to put a blue poker chip into a blue box.
I'm gonna run across, mate. I'm gonna run across. Ready? Running.
Go, get shot.
Smoke! Fire! It's all good. I'm out. Oh, hit! Hit! I'm blue. Sorry, mate.
That's alright.
Yeah.
I thought you were using the nice thing, that's what I was like, huh?
Yeah, no, it's fine. Oh, hit. Nice shot. Well done. How many teammates have we got in the middle? Because I want to grenade it.
There's two, at least two of us.
Right.
There's no one in the middle at all.
I'm going to try grenade it. Huh?
I don't think you're allowed in there, you know, but
Yeah.
don't chuck it, we've got teammates.
It was good. It's good. It's good.
No way. Go to that little tunnel. Come to me.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
If you're interested in the gear that I run, I will leave it in the description below. I will also leave links in the description to my Instagram. I'll also leave links in the description to Stealth Tactical UK. And I will also leave a link in the description to battle stations so you can check it out if you would like to play at a quality CQB site. I am there most weeks, so if you happen to see me there, don't be afraid to say hello.
Hit! Good shot! I didn't mean to, it's just a natural reaction, it's alright. Sorry about that, cheers. Whereabouts are they? Push up! Watch tunnels just in case.
So the round has now ended. We had the most chips in the tin, which means we run the round. We're now switching sides and going again.
There's someone right over there. Come on. Blue? Okay, good. Ah, hit, nice shot. Red's pushing yellow container.
Duck. There's one to the right in front, my 12 o'clock, there's one low. Behind that brown stuff, I don't know if it's blue. And then there's one right at the back.
Right. I'm gonna push slightly up, alright? Ready, stop firing now?
Go.
When you got cover, Charlie, go!
Yeah. Nice.
Shoot me, hey, shoot me. Shoot me.
Good.
In there! Brewer! In there!
Alright, got her.
Colour in the container. Colour. Colour, here. Right on my 12.
No, I don't mean that the other way, sorry.
We're trying to get through, mate.
Red one down. I'll try running in front of you. Okay.
It's alright. I'm pushing away because I pushed their spawn too far. Okay, move back. French retreat.
So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you want. But make sure to click that bell icon to stay notified for whenever I post. Like I said earlier in the video, I will leave links in the description to Battle Station, Stealth Tactical and my Instagram, so you can check it out when you want to. Sergeant Airsoft, signing off.